What's up guys, welcome to another OVO vlog. Today I'm going to teach you guys a quick way to get your waves spinning faster. See now, I only been waving for about 6 months. It's February, I cut my hair in August. It's a shower routine, so when you wash your hair, this is what I do. So here are the things you're going to need. You're going to need a brush, a comb, your shampoo, conditioner, coconut oil, and then some type of wax to hold your hair down. So my hair is wet. So once you got that through your hair, you want to take your comb. After you wash the shampoo out your hair, you're going to want to take the coconut oil straight into the hair. That comb, you're going to comb it evenly through your hair all the way around. So I just finished up combing the oil through my hair. I'm gonna take my conditioner and I'm gonna do the same thing. Take the comb and comb it evenly throughout your hair. And finally, you get your brush and you wanna get a good brush session for a good 20 to 30 minutes. I'll probably lay it down for 10-15 minutes and then I'm going to show you guys the final result. Alright guys, it's actually been only about 10 minutes, but I got places to be. So it's time for the moment of truth. Let's see if the process is worth it.
Your time is up, my time is now.
That's it guys, a quick wave tutorial. Thank you for watching, I'll see you next time.
Honorable Court.